Hey everyone, I'm coming to you because there's a big concern about what is being said and the breadcrumbs that are being dropped. And yet, I haven't seen anyone talking about it. I've seen a whole lot of negativity about this person and that person. This is going out to every single nation on this planet, okay? Because if you're not paying attention to the breadcrumbs that they're dropping, you're going to be the one crying in the end. Listen to this.
Talking about it. They're already saying, both Facebook and Twitter, that they're not going to announce a winner. Here's what's going to happen. Donald J. Trump is going to win the vote on the only day that matters. That's November 3rd. He's going to win the real election in the way we've done it, with secret ballots, with people going into a booth and voting for President of the United States, okay? By that evening, he will be the winner. And what they're going to do is that between the lawfare they've got with 800 attorneys under Eric Holder, the mob they've got with Antifa, and the radical elements of Black Lives Matter, but most importantly, the digital muscle of Facebook and Twitter, they're going to sit there and they're going to not declare Trump the winner.
You were right there running the campaign 4 years ago today. Looking at the poll numbers now as objectively as you can, as compared to the numbers you were looking at 4 years ago today, how do you think the president's reelect looks?
I think the team's done a great job. When I look at these numbers in the crosstabs, when I drill down on them, I think the president's got not just a great shot. I think he will be the winner on November 3rd. I think the campaign's totally focused. I think Biden is a cipher. He can't draw a crowd. So I think right now that I think the campaign's doing great. The president's doing great. I see a victory on November 3rd. And I'm as a guy.
Okay, so they already predicting that he's going to win. But guess what? Here is where the breadcrumb comes in.
First guy to tell me he was going to win back in August of 16.
Huh. And then maybe the real contest begins. Steve Bannon, I'm glad that you came on. Thank you very much.
That's when the war starts.
Oh,
Thanks,
I'm beginning to...
what'd he say?
Maybe the real contest
What'd he say?
Steve Bannon, I'm glad that you came on. Thank you very much.
That's when the war starts.
That's when the war starts. That's the problem right now, because y'all are so distracted about Black Lives Matter, this and that. Are y'all home taking care and preparing your house? You have no time to protest somebody else's life when your life is in danger right now, because they already know what they plan on doing. And it doesn't matter what race you are. Why? Because you're all going to be counted as what? What you call that? Casualties of war? Oh, well, that's how they feel. One less person on this planet. So you have no time. Are you prepared? Y'all need to stop sleeping on these people. You thinking that life is fitting to go back to the way it was? Man, if only I had time. But I don't, because I'm tired of talking.